Right, today's going to be pretty straightforward. What we're going to be doing is putting the front end of the Brat back together again. Obviously did the carbon fibre skidding, the over fenders, so putting all that stuff on there now. It's probably going to end up having to come back off again to do other bits and pieces to it, but for now I just want to see it together all in one, and you guys probably want to see it all together all in one. Now I'm going to try my very best to get as good an angle as possible, but it's very, very hard. The position it's in, and obviously I've got the SVX in front of it there. Can't get the SVX outside because the neighbour's an idiot. So bear with the weird angles and kind of close quarters. I'm going to do my best. So I'm going to start off with the wings. Obviously one wing's on there already, but the other wing on that's going to take no time at all. Put the wing mirrors back on there and the scuttle panel. Then I'm going to start off on the other little bits and pieces. So let's do those bits first. Right, as you saw, that's all back together again. One thing I did do, I don't know if you can see it, I did a tiny little cutout just in the wing there, just so I can get access to the bolt that tightens this up, because before I had to take the whole wing off, but we've got a little bolt in there so we can tighten it up, which is nice and neat. So scuttle panels on, obviously. Wing's good to go, so we need to put on the front valance first. Then the headlight surrounds, which are there, which are in the same kind of textured finish. Need to repaint those, but they'll be alright for now. Grille. I've got one headlight in, the other headlight is gone. Not gone, but it's with a friend of mine. Now the reason for the headlight being missing is because my friend is doing something with the headlight, a little additional add-on for the headlight, something very, very cool, something quite period correct. Don't know when they're going to be done because he's doing it as a favour for me, but it's going to be worth it when they're back together, and yeah, with their new additions. And I've got another idea for something quite cool for behind the grille as well. So yeah, let's put the headlight surrounds on and the valance on. Alright, all back together. It's hard to get the feel for the whole front end without the splitter, but obviously I've done a little cut out there so you can get an idea of the shape that's going to be. I've got some plastic on order, so that should be done next. I've also done a little mock-up of the side skirt so you can see, we can get an idea of how much that's going to fill out the side there. They'll be finished off in carbon as well as a front splitter just to match the wings. Obviously the other side's all on and done there. Now I do need to take this one off again because I need to do something, fiddle around with this and probably give it another coat of the Raptor, because the finish isn't quite the same as the other one. I kind of dusted it a bit too much and it's not quite the same finish, so that's going to annoy me. So I need to do that. Obviously you need to get the trim for there, but apart from that, that's all together and done. The front end is pretty much there. The back end of this one obviously needs doing, but we've got half of the the over fender on there. So yeah, we're looking good, and like I said, the headlights, they're going to have a nice little addition to them soon. It's going to be very, very cool. So that's kind of like a weird update video. It's kind of cool that you can, that's a good angle. It's kind of cool that you can see how this is going to end up looking now. It's nice that it's kind of finally coming together, the ideas in my head. And hopefully you can see as well how it's going to look, and obviously that's in carbon, it's going to fill out nicely, so yeah. So I hope you like that. I'll see you again very, very soon, hopefully. We'll be working on the splitter. Like I said, the material's on the way for that. Yeah, that'll be next, and that'd be nice to see that all together. And then after that, we'll do the side skirts, and then I don't know what then actually. Oh, I've got some ideas for the back of the bed. Yeah, I'm kind of semi-working on them right now, along with another big thing. You can probably guess what it's going to be to fill out the bed, something that's going to make it look a bit more hardcore. Yeah, you can probably guess. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. Thank you very much for checking out the video. Sorry it's a bit of a weird one. Just kind of like an install video, put the front end back together again. But yeah, hope you like it anyway. So I'll see you guys soon. Take care.
Subscribe, you fools.